this is something we had to ask you absolutely. Is you're from Delhi, you're from a Sikh family.
Yeah.
How do you ignore the butter chicken?
See, let me tell you one secret. I've never been a fan of butter chicken. I might just risk a lot of people killing me back in Delhi, but I've never been a fan of butter chicken. But I'm a huge fan of chole bhature. That was my cake on my birthday also. Chole bhature.
Chole bhature cake.
That was my cake. Yeah, because I love chole bhature. I love my tikkis and all that. So I'm more of a spice eating person. So I'm more like a bigger fan of those all spicy food and all fried food.
But how did you manage to like leave all that, or did you leave that, or do you secretly eat?
So let me tell you, I didn't leave any of it. But I have my those cheat days where I make sure. I think jitna crave karenge, I think we just try to force ourselves, our bodies away from it. The more we crave for it, and then we end up eating it anyway, and then like putting it on. So rather just keep one day aside for this. I think life is only this much. Yeah, we can't really give up.
Like Sunday cheat day?
I don't have fixed days. I just make sure it's only once in a week. That's all.
So Sunday and Monday?
It can be any day. But it should be only once in 7 days. So it cannot be every third day.
But it's amazing the kind of roles that you've been picking up, and I wanted to know, do you do the stunts yourself?
Yeah, I do it myself. You are more than welcome to come on my sets and see me jumping. I think I was born to just do stunts off camera, and now on camera. I've been jumping from my balconies and like running away when I need to go and play and my door was locked. I've done all those kind of things. So it's only natural that now I'm finally doing all those action films.
How young were you when you realized I'm a stunt person?
No, I was pretty young when I realized the world which is realizing me now. I realized it back then. I used to do all those stunts on the cycles, like which I don't tell everyone to do, but then I was just skid and all, like have those races in the streets of Delhi. So I've been a pretty stunt savvy person since childhood, and food savvy person even more. Yeah, I live to eat. Yeah, I think.
Are you somewhat of a nerd also?
I am a nerd, yeah. Yeah. I used to have minus 3.5 power, glasses, braces. Talk about it and I had it all.